Hello. Looks like it's just us. Again.
It's early. Let's see. Wait a few minutes.
Well, I think that no one else is joining. In minutes, we will hear another thing.
Do you want to say something for whoever is will watch the recording?
Yeah, well, the recording already started.
Yeah.
Remember that
Exactly.
is automated. Okay, since no one joined yet, we will wait a little bit. In the meantime, showing the agenda. Da, 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 da. Okay, so if you join it later, you will be able to see this recording. So hello everyone, welcome to the community meeting, number 60. Madre mía, that's a lot of meetings. Okay, so looks like there's no many issues to talk about, so this is going to be a really quick and fast meeting. The first one is the beautiful one about the new time for the community meeting. Sadly, we have only 12 participants on this one. The result is that every day works for everyone. It's not ideal. So I don't know. Should we wait for the next community meeting?
Is there any preference even by one or all the same?
All of different. There's no coincidence. If we start featuring, for example, people like Itai every day, David Wheeler every day, Daniel. Okay, today the same, which doesn't help to make the difference between the day. Jeremy is the only one that has like an inclination of doing it Thursday or Friday, because obviously it's in the West Coast in USA, so he's the only one that Probably just because of him, we may change it a little bit. So it will make a lot of sense. Wait a second, someone is asking. So basically, if since everyone can do it that, I will actually do it for Thursday. But there's Mikael is the only one that cannot, and Daniel. So yeah, actually, it typed two times, so it means that it's only 11 people actually submitted the time. It's not for them. I don't know. We can
Also
try
multiple
to.
Daniel.
Huh?
I think I saw multiple Daniel, and I have no idea if they are the same Daniel or not.
Yeah, that is the problem. And in any case, he's still putting the ones. So only because of Jeremy is the only one that I know for sure is in the other side of the world and has voted. I would send it, I don't know, Thursday. But that is like really everything. So I was expecting to have more people voting, but since like this is the situation, is I think Marco also can the first for Canova can do it, but Yato is the only one that cannot. But I'm pretty sure we can change that. Jonathan Gonzalez, I'm more flexible. I just voted that 6 times on to try not to do everyone. It looks like didn't make any sense. Gabriele also can do Thursday. And everyone else can everyone. So if we agree, we can change it to Thursday at 4. The first Thursday of every month, of course, or every first Thursday. I don't know. We need to make a decision. Because I know that Gabriele can join on Thursday too, because he posted. The only one that cannot is Jonathan and Jonathan. But I'm pretty sure I can change my time zone because it's the same. So yeah. If we can change it to Thursday at 4. Anyone, hey, hello, 2 new joiners. No, only 1. No, all the stuff. So yeah. Anyone wants to make a decision? Want to think about it? We try on Thursday for the next meeting, so we change the calendar. See if more people shows up. It could be an option.
I have voted. I have no difference between.
Yeah, I know. That is basically that is the problem. The only one that has complained and want to join the meeting is Jeremy. That's why I'm proposing Thursday at 4.
Yeah, but we'll be missing someone anyway. So
Yeah.
I'm fine with the Thursday.
Mikal, but to be honest, I never see his name here. We can. That's why I was asking for people to put the name, so we can know that the people that actually attended. Okay.
yeah, but
What do you think?
I mean the
Hmm?
slightly the darkish green means
There's no
67 to
darkest
99. Do we have precise numbers? Because maybe one is 67 and the other one is 99, and
I don't know. That is a really good question because the only problem is that the only one that's supposed to know how to use this one is not here. And that one is Itai. But we can all learn together. So that's all. I think I'm doing there. Yeah, we have the vote. Full status. edit type, what that's called? Export. Export as CSV. Open the file, LibreOffice, obviously. Open source. No, it basically shows all the results. Okay. 7 out of 12. 7 out of 12. 6 out of 12. 5 out of 12. 4 out of 12. Okay. Thursday at 4 p.m. we have 7 out of 12.
2 of which are retired.
2 of which are tied.
There
The
are 2
problem is that I
ties.
decide to fill in everything. So we will have the modified number. So I think that we can say that
Okay.
7 out of 12, 7 out of 12, 7 out of 12, 7 out of 12, 6 out of, okay, so looks like everyone can at least mostly at 4 p.m., which will cover time zones in USA, Europe, and mostly part of Asia and India. I wish we could cover more, but probably we'll have to set a second meeting. So at 3 p.m., 6, 6, 6, 5, 7 out of 12 on Friday at 3 p.m. So
Yeah, but if we are already at 7, let's keep the same hour. Why change if it's already?
Yeah,
yeah, okay. So
let's
if
just
we keep,
change the day. Switch
okay,
to Tuesday.
I think the best day is going to Thursday. If everyone is agreed, I will take it like something fixed and we continue. If no one show up or wants to complain, we change it later in the future. What do you think about it?
I'm fine with it.
Everyone's agreed?
Good, good.
Thursday at 4 at 16 hours. You know, UTC plus 2. By 7 out of 12. Okay, and guess what? Jonathan G will change the calendar for the new day. Perfect. Amazing.
Can you write UTC instead of UTC plus 2? 14,
14. Okay, it's 14. So you cannot
because I guess it's easier for everyone to.
No, perfect. Totally agree. You're totally right. Okay, so I will change the date. Hope it is time we will merge before the next meeting. But anyway, if anyone is watching this recording after, the calendar that we already added will be updated as we did it the last time with the new date for all the meetings. Perfect. Next one. Francesco? No? Okay. So, next one, office hours. The status of the discussion on the project. Let's see. I can actually go down in the agenda and see because okay. This is the discussion. No one say anything. This is the vote. Keep the office hour. Continue with the office hours. Yes. Change the office hour time of day of the week. Change. I wish it to have more participation, but no time for that. The decision is yes. Rather than this, we will propose a calendar. with new dates. Right. One of the things that I have to say about this is the last time, I actually give it an agenda on our office hours with what we actually talked, so probably something we can imitate and keep in the time about the office hours, because this was actually a couple of topics that were covered pretty nice. So probably we will keep this. I propose a new one. The foundation has documents for this, so we will go there. Okay, now, next topic. I'm going to close the discussion. Otherwise. We can see the result. Okay, next issue. Oh, sorry, I have discussion. Ah, thank you, Leonardo. Releases. If you are watching this after the recording, a couple of days after, or the same day, Jeremy 1.24.4 was released 5 days ago. It's the final one, so here is the recommendation of equal upgrade. Hopefully to the latest one, 126.0. If you don't want to do it, 125 is fine, but please continue upgrade because this would be the last release. 125.2 was also released, obviously, as usual, we keep all of them releases, and the new version 126 with the so requested and desired feature of the my upgrade, which is nice. I already saw some guys in the chat saying actually before the meeting started that I was finally able to update from 16 to 17. And it was amazing. So thank you to the work of everyone on this one, because it was a really hard work for everyone. There's no many things to say on the release. Everything probably already has been said because it was 5 days ago. But again, so that's it. That is what I had in the agenda. So if someone else has something to talk, this is your time. Please unmute yourself if you want to talk and go ahead.
Yep. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
I think I'm audible.
See,
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Yeah. So my name is Anshul. I am new to CloudNativePG. I am I have contributed to various open source projects previously, and I'm I'm just getting started to CloudNativePG right now. I was not sure if this issue was open for community or not, but I would like to contribute over here. I've just pinned messaged in the comments in the chat section of the Zoom meeting. Let me know if it is open up for contribution. I would like to contribute.
Hello, welcome to this community. And yes, the answer for you is actually we are a sincere project. We are under the umbrella of sincere, meaning that we are fully open source and it's an open community. Meaning that we are obviously accepting all the contributions we can. It may take some time because we are less people doing the reviews and everything. There's a lot of things, but obviously keep showing we can guide you and we can put you in the right direction to make successful your contribution. This is actually something that I think someone mentioned a couple of meetings ago. This one. I don't remember.
Yeah, it was me.
I was in holidays. Oh, perfect. See, I even watched the videos of the meetings. Yeah, it's totally open. If you want to contribute, there's you can go into the contributing file. Sorry, yeah, it's the contributing file. There's a couple of steps you can follow there. Obviously, it's not it will not be easy to just start. That is my first advice. But read the documentation first. As the first thing, read all of them. There's another document there that is the contributors to the source code. You will see the description and everything. There's also the setting, the development environment, which is the first thing you should do. The second one is the running the end-to-end test. And this is for everyone that is also watching the recording video. If you find something in the middle of this that is not working on this guide, you follow it step by step, everything is report that could be an issue. We can review and we can make, or you can actually propose a patch because you know the fix. Okay.
Yep.
There's a lot of guidelines. We basically follow the CNCF guidelines on almost everything. But we are not a big community, so we cannot expect that 200 people is going to vote on the 500 time for the meeting. So we still vote, so we have to make decisions, but we will improve. So yeah, if you want to contribute, we are really open to everything. Just go ahead and do it.
Yep. Yes, I have already set up the development environment. Yeah, just there were few bugs for me, which was mostly related to the context timing. Like I just increased the context time to maybe 600. It was previously 300 before, and yeah, that's it. I think this was the only issue I faced.
What do you mean?
Sorry.
What do you mean? I don't get it. What context? I mean, which context are you talking about?
So okay, understand. Sorry. So basically, while installing everything on my local setup, local client cluster, the context deadline was getting exceeded. So the bash script used to stop, and in the middle of the setup. So I just increased the context deadline. It was previously 300 seconds. I think 300 seconds, and I increased it to 600 seconds, and it worked. It would wait for a longer period of time. That's it.
So probably you have an issue of downloading the images.
Yeah, maybe something like a network issue or something like that.
Yeah, that could happen like a lot. Well, it happens to me like a lot when I'm going on the VPNs. So yeah, that's common issue. But no, yeah, for sure. If you have something to talk about or something, please do it and share it. And
Not yet.
oh, I stopped sharing. Sorry. Nothing. Yeah, if you want to do it, please go ahead and yeah, it may take some time. The learning curve is not that easy. There's not much we can do about it. Kind of mixing Kubernetes, which is complex thing, with databases, which is complex thing, with Postgres, which is even more complex. So yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, but patience. And if you need help, there's a lot of people in the CloudNativePG dev channel. I see you already there. So sometimes we can ask, we spend some time for the issue. So ask whatever you need. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Nice.
So like one more doubt. Do you assign the issue to me first, or I create a draft PR and later on it? Okay, sure.
Yeah, because
thank you.
sadly sometimes there's more than one people doing the job, and it's better if you have more than option. But if you assign a ticket or an issue to someone, you are expecting that someone to work. Well, in this case, all the tickets are assigned by people to Gabriele. I don't know why. I never remember why. But it doesn't mean that he's going to work on that. Okay? But
Yeah. Understood. Thanks.
No, thanks to you.
Ansha, if you have a bit of time, you could also file a PR and an issue to increase the timeout, or even better, to have it configurable with a command line option. That would be a different issue and a different PR, but it would be a great way to start, I guess. I think
Okay, yeah,
it's
sure. I can create a PR for longer context deadlines, I guess.
good.
Yeah, sure.
And that will be your first conclusion. See, that's how you start, step by step, small
Yeah.
steps.
Yep.
Okay, someone else want to say something? We are 8 people here. Anyway. Okay, looks like no one else. So, thank you for attending, all of you. It has been amazing to have this program. This meeting, so hopefully the next time will be on Thursday. Well, I mean, it will be on Thursday, the same order of the weeks. Okay? So thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.